Welcome to the Natural Blueprint. Are you tired of trying fitness programs, meal plans, and health advice that never seem to work long term? I know exactly how that feels. For years, I watched people jump from one diet to another, one workout plan to the next, searching for answers. The fitness industry teaches that everyone should follow the same system, but the truth is simple. No two people are the same. That realization led me on a journey to study fitness, nutrition, natural health, human performance, and wellness systems from the 1800s through to today. What I discovered changed everything. Your body has unique needs. Your lifestyle is unique. Your health journey is unique. Yet most programs treat everyone exactly the same. That's why I created the Natural Blueprint. Inside, you'll find blood type based nutrition guides, complete fitness and training programs, a natural healing library covering everyday wellness challenges, time management systems to help you take control of your life, AI powered wellness assistance available whenever you need guidance. Because health isn't just about workouts, it's about how you eat, how you move, how you recover, how you manage your time, and how consistently you take care of yourself. The one thing none of us can buy is more time. My goal is to help you make the most of the time you have by giving your body and mind the tools they need to perform at their best. And the best part, you can start today with our free guides. Now, let's dive into it. This is an overview of the Natural Blueprint. So if you see this page, you are on the landing page. You can either click on Join Now, or you can log in as a member if you already have an account. Over here, you would find what the Natural Blueprint is all about and some life-changing quotes there from some of my users. Then you can click on Get Instant Access. Once on Instant Access, it takes you to your free guides. You have a bodyweight training program, which is free, and the eating for your blood type, also free. Over here, you can click on Natural Healing Guide, which is free, and the Blood Type Basic, which is free. Some cool stuff to start off with. And then if you look at the programs, it will take you to a payment page. And I highly recommend subscribing to the Ultimate Bundle. In the Ultimate Bundle, everything you see on this page are included. So you can either select monthly or yearly. Honestly, I made it as cheap as possible. At this moment, it's 50 cents a day, which I think is very affordable.